Good morning, Madison Line Cubs. This is Mr. DSK, and I'm here on this marvellous Monday, April 20th morning to share with you what's happening at Madison this week. But before I do so, I would like you to join me in saying Madison Line Cubs are always respectful, always responsible, and always really, really safe. So I know, and you know, that we're all going to have a great day and a great week. But before we get started on that great day and great week, I do have some announcements for you. The first one is that on Thursday the 23rd, Miss Alaire's class and 3rd through 5th grade will go to the Washington Center for the Olympia Junior Programs performance of a piratey Peter Pan. Now, that sounds like a lot of fun. I know that many of our lower pod students went earlier in the year, and it's an annual excursion that we take to the Washington Center to get some theatre experiences in. Loads of fun. On Friday, we will have a Zaniac assembly. And the fellow that does the Zaniac assemblies has been here before. He's very entertaining, and I know that you have looked forward to his return. The theme for Friday's assembly is going to be gravity catastrophe. Sounds interesting. I wonder what that's going to be about. On Saturday, the Olympia School District will host its Countdown to Kindergarten event. That'll be Saturday, April 25th at 10 o'clock at Olympia High School. And Countdown to Kindergarten is where families and community members with a child entering kindergarten in the fall are looking at enrolling their child at their neighborhood school. And it's a showcase for kindergarten programming here in Olympia and at Madison. Let's see, what else is there? Oh, I know. Madison has won Best of South Sound for 2 years and placed in the top 3 years. And we were nominated again for Best of South Sound this year, so I'm hoping that I can count on your vote for Madison for Best of South Sound so we can make it a total of 3 gold medal placements for Madison. We do deserve it, so you can vote daily starting today all the way through May 8th, and yes, every family member can vote. So I'm really excited about seeing the results to those, and I am going to vote daily. Well, that's it from me. See you out and about. Bye.